Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 15 on our trip and we are headed out on some trails with the motorcycle today.
We're in Moab, Utah. So we actually met up with a couple locals in this area and they're actually going to show us a couple spots that are kind of cool. They have dirt bikes, we have an ADV bike, so they're definitely going to be running circles around us, but for sure we're going to have a good time and they're going to show us a couple spots. We did go to a waterfall last night that was actually off camera. We should have recorded it, honestly.
I know, it's so
but
cool.
we might even go there tonight or maybe tomorrow night. You know, it's a nice little hike. It's a beautiful hike and a nice natural waterfall, and it's a local spot for sure. You know, found a lot of people there. But yeah, we're gonna have a great day today, and we'll bring you guys along like we always do. So we'll see you guys on the road. See ya. Okay, so we're here at the trailhead. We have Bree, our local favorite of Utah, Moab, and all that. You know, they have these YZ80s. They're two strokes, so you know. Their 120-pound bikes are gonna compare to my almost 600-pound bike.
165, I'm 1.
We're pretty much gonna go on the trails and all that, go to a nice lake and all that, and have a good day, like we always do. See you guys on the trails. Okay, so we made it like a little stream right here, you know, it's like a little waterfall and all that almost. It's man-made, but still, it's beating this 94-degree weather. It is hot here in Moab, Utah. But we're gonna hop back on the bikes. Some crazy steep inclines on that hill. We're gonna see a bunch going down. I might even risk it. Gigi needs to hold on that bike when I'm going down that incline because there's some really big potholes and yeah, it's dangerous. But especially for a bike that has street tires and the bike is 600 pounds, I'm 220, Gigi's 120, you know, that's a lot of weight on, you know, two little wheels. But we're gonna head down that trail again, and there's a big lake at the bottom, so we're gonna stop by the lake, go for a nice swim, cool off a little more, because this wasn't shallow, it was too shallow. I can't submerge my body, I wanna be fully submerged in the water. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the lake. Okay, we've made it to the lake. You can see the bike is behind me and also the YZ85s. Those bikes are fun, haven't ready yet, but I'm gonna. But you can see Gigi right here is already in her bikini, and right in front of us is a lake, right at the base of a bunch of mountains, I guess. But
what you call them, red rocks?
Yeah, I would call them just like hardscapes, you know, red rock hardscapes. But you already got some people over here, you know, relaxing in the water, and we're gonna do exactly the same because it is hot out. I think it's only like 95 today, which is not bad, but still. We're close to the sun, that we can feel that sun. The sun is hot. So let's go enjoy some of the water. Okay, we just enjoyed the lake. The lake was fantastic. The water was nice and cool. Gigi refreshed herself from all the little riding on the trails and all that.
Now a little snack,
Exactly.
grapes.
So we're gonna head back to the campground and just, you know, relax for the day and all that because like I said, this heat here is no joke.
We're gonna go bowling later.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go bowling later too, so we'll enjoy that with our new made friends in Moab, Bree and Al. But yeah, they showed us the way here, and you know, they have like little dirt bikes, and it was fun riding with them. And now they headed back because the heat was getting a little too hot, and we just finished packing up, so we're gonna head back too. Go grocery shopping, so we make dinner, make a nice big potluck tonight. And yeah, so we'll see you guys probably at the bowling alley, because other than that, you know, walking through the supermarket, grabbing stuff and making dinner isn't anything surprising. You guys are here to see what's behind me, those huge big red rock formations, and you know, us having a good time. So yeah, we'll see you guys at bowling. Okay, so we're pretty much finished with bowling. I didn't get to record pretty much any of the actual footage of us bowling because, one, it's a place of business. I didn't really want to bring a camera in there, and plus Moab is such a touristy area, and this bowling place is more pretty much like a local spot. I didn't want to, you know, bring the camera in there and start filming and all that, so I was just trying to be respectful of the place and all that. But you know, we went bowling, it was a great time. I hit a couple of strikes, we all hit a couple of strikes. I think one of them won the first game and I won the last game. It was great. We never usually overgo bowling, so, but yeah, that's, you know, we had a great time and all that, and we had a great day. And I do apologize about the whole filming of no bowling and all that, but pretty much there wasn't much to film, just us bowling and just us having some, you know, pizza at the bowling alley. But thank you for watching the video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.